Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Mr. Burak Osman! So welcome, marhaba, welcome to Pakistan, Mr. Burak. People love you, people admire you, people adore you. All these people are crazy for you, sir. Superstar, world's most famous actor, Burak is here. You look like so beautiful. Thank you so much. You are very kind. Thank you. I'm very happy to see you. Thank you so much. All people love Kurulus Osman and support the Kurulus Osman. Thank you so much. I'm very happy. Thank you. I think let's take the photo together, all together. और एक ग्रुप सेल्फी होगी एक, आप सब बुराक की सेल्फी में आने वाले हैं। My feel is very interesting. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Burak, ladies and gentlemen, Burak आपसे प्यार करते हैं। क्या आप बुराक से प्यार करते हैं? क्या आप बुराक से प्यार करते हैं? और बुराक, final words. What would you like to say to people of Pakistan?
The J-Dot, it's amazing. Thank you so much for saying. Thank you so much. He is amazing.
Let's सारे मिलके बोलेंगे पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. Okay? All right?
Pakistan zindabad.
Now, Burak, listen how many people love you and Pakistan and Turkey. Okay? Pakistan! 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 Wow, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Burak, it's a pleasure to have you. Thank you. And thank you, sir, for coming to Pakistan. See you tomorrow again. Sir, final words for the people.
I hope so. We will say again. Thank you so much. We are going. Okay?